Hello, in this chess puzzle there's one move for white that get you a checkmate in 2, and the other moves are a checkmate in 3 or worse. This one was created by Ben R. Foster in 1878. So black just has the king, 2 knights and a bishop left. White just has the king, pair of rooks, pawn, bishop and queen. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2 for white? Moving the queen to e8 isn't a checkmate in 2, unless the black king takes the rook on d4, because then you can move the queen down to e3 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the other rook, it's only a mate in 4. After you take the bishop with the queen, black king can try to escape to e7, or you can move in with the queen and then pin the king against the back rank. Or if the king moves to e5, you can just chase it with the queen protected by the bishop, and then move the queen down to just still checkmate in 4. Taking the bishop with the queen is actually the only checkmate in 3. Black tries to take the rook with their knight. You can move the queen down to g3, checking the king. The king can then take the other rook, but you can mate in 3 by moving your queen to g5. Taking the knight with your queen won't get you a checkmate in 2. Black can take your rook with the knight, and then check the king with the queen, but the black king has an escape square. Taking the knight with your rook isn't a mate in 2. Black king can take your other rook. Queen can then take the bishop. The black king tries to escape. You can then check with the queen. King only has one move, and then you can just checkmate in 4 with your rook. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you want some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to c1. If the king takes the rook on f6, you can move your queen to g5 to checkmate in 2. If black decides to take the other rook with their king, you can then move your queen to e3 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the rook on d4 with their knight, you can move your queen to f4 to checkmate in 2. And if black takes the other rook with their knight, you can still move your queen to f4 to mate in 2. Okay, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.